Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to tie the perfect bow. This will be an easy gift wrapping tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have just a box that I grabbed out of my car from my emergency kit. I have these bandages right here, and I have this ribbon to tie the bow, okay? So basically, you're gonna get your ribbon, make sure it's nice and flat, and you want your ribbon to be a little too long because we're gonna snip off the edges anyways. It's better to have extra length. Take your ribbon, place it underneath the box, make sure it's nice and flat, okay? And make sure it's relatively centered along the box. Now we're gonna take the edges of the ribbon, okay, and we're gonna tie just a regular knot. Now pay attention to which side is going over which side. I have my left hand over here that I'm showing you, and my right hand. In this case, I am tying a knot, the left hand is going over. So my left side went over, and then I'm wrapping it around. So I went left over, okay? As you can see right there. Tie a knot nice and tightly, get your finger, hold the knot down like this. Now here's the key to a great bow, okay? Flatten out your ribbon. As you can see, you want everything to be nice and flat, okay? Just like that. And my left side went over previously. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a loop, just like this, okay? With both sides, holding down that center. But my left side went over previously, now my right side, which is this side over here, my right side is actually gonna go over. So my right side is going over, like that. I'm wrapping it around, like this, making sure I'm keeping it nice and flat, and I'm pulling the bow tight, okay? Now you can see right here, we're gonna take a few moments to sort of straighten everything out, just like this. In this situation, we have a perfect looking bow, okay? Nice and tightly around the box, relatively tightly, and I can adjust it. So let's say it's a little too big, I can pull these through to make it a little bit smaller. And as you can see right here, it's nice and flat. Now, for some added flair, what we're gonna do is the following. We're gonna snip off the excess ribbon that we have. You can leave it this long, that's fine. But I like to snip off the excess ribbon. So what I like to do is take each end, you wanna fold it in half like this, okay? Fold it in half like that. Get your scissors, cut it on an angle. And as you can see, we get a beautiful design like this. Okay, you can see that right there. Once again, and you cut it on the opposite angle to get an indent. It's up to you. I like it like that though. So take your scissors, okay, fold your ribbon, and I'll cut it on the opposite way just so you can see what the other version is. Sorry, I actually did it the wrong way there. I did it the wrong way. It would be the opposite way. It would be that way. I would be cutting it. Very simple. So I'll do it like this, no problem. Cut it like that. So you can also get that version right there. It's up to you. That's basically it. That is essentially how to tie the perfect bow. Very easy tutorial. It's actually really simple. The key is that when you're tying your bow, whichever side went over for the knot, when you're doing the loops and the bow, the other side goes over. And it gives you a nice strong bow. It's not going to come out. It's nice and flat. It looks absolutely awesome. That's it. Very simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.